I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening TikTok Live Studio and signing in. Make sure your microphone and desktop audio are active so you can preview sounds. Once logged in, go straight to Settings and select Alerts. This is where Sounds Live. You're doing this now to avoid wasted steps, so check that your audio device is selected and volume is audible. If you don't see alerts, restart Live Studio and confirm you're on a supported build before moving to the next step. You'll pick the specific alert you want to change, follow, gift, or donation, and open its sound settings. Once selected, click the sound dropdown and either choose a built-in tone or upload a custom MP3 or WAV. Live Studio accepts common formats at 128 kbps or higher for quality. After uploading, use the built-in trim and volume controls to fit stream levels. Make sure to test the sound with the preview button so you hear how it sits in your overall audio mix. Once done, save your changes and run a local test or a private stream so you can confirm alerts trigger as expected. If an alert doesn't play, make sure Live Studio has permission to use audio output, that your system output matches the selected device, and that the sound file is a supported format. If problems persist, restart Live Studio, re-upload the sound at a different bitrate, and reduce other audio sources so the alert is clearly audible during live broadcasts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.